Hello, this is Jim from TWS, and today we have got some goodies from our good friends at Edifier. And as everyone knows, we are doing a lot of true wireless. These are our first true wireless from the company. So we've got the TWS1 and TWS5. So what we're going to be doing with these is compare them both and seeing what this is like versus this, and as usual sharing our thoughts on how good they sound. And with Edifier, anything I use from them typically is great for sound, but this is, as I said, our first true wireless, and we're going to unbox these, give you a quick look, and then we'll have a review in a week or two as to test both of them, and we've others in for testing as well and more on the way. So we'll have to get cracking on that as quick as possible. So this is the packaging here, as you see. So let's get to it, and we don't need our unboxing knife for that one. So we get micro USB charging, and you get some extra buds, some gel. You also get your quick start guides and so on, and your ear tips. So let's check out these. First of all, now just put this all away. As people know, I'm a bit of a stickler for trying to keep everything as is. So this is the case here, and it's a small, nice small case compared to some others that I have, which I have been showing around. So as for size, it is on the smaller size for just a quick few local ones I have there at my grasp. So we open them up here like so. You can see an LED here, and as I said, micro USB charging on the back. We have 2 pins inside. Nice clean case with Edifier branding up on top, and this is the earbuds here, and left and right branding. You've got a mic, and that's pretty much it. You have your tips on there, which is probably the medium. So these have got the 2 tips or 2 connectors on the charging port. Nice and lightweight as well, nice design, look really clean, and that's the way a lot of people like their earbuds. So on to the TWS5. First of all, just see the quick specs of these. You've got Bluetooth 5.0, you have 8 plus 24 hours playback time, touch control, bio diaphragm, IPX5 rated, and some more information on the back. Longer playtime, 8 hours up to 32 hours with reserve in the case. It's a bit hard to see this right now, it's small and it's the same colour as the box nearly. And most probably you've got Bluetooth 5.0 and you've got aptX technology, so straight away with the aptX you're in good hands. So this is the TWS5. So we have got playback time up to 8 hours, a composite diaphragm, so it's a difference in the diaphragm between this and that, version 5 Bluetooth, IPX5 rating again, and pretty much the same stuff written on the back there. So we'll check them out now, and we can see a totally different presentation there. So I'm gonna have to try and get this out bit by bit. So in the box you will get your charging case here. In here we have some extra tips, micro USB again, which I'm not going to complain about, but most earbuds are USB-C these days. Well, a lot of them, but we're starting to move in the right direction. So we get these out of the box, so a bit tight. You get your usual books and stuff, and we'll pop out the buds like so. So this is the black TW5s, and as you can see we have some small differences. We have the black colour here, we have the 3 connection pins here. On the top of the case we've got the Edifier branding, your 3 pins in there, and your charge port at the back. So that's pretty much what they look like there. Nice cases as well, and we look forward to testing these out and see how Edifier do on the earbuds aspect. So there's a couple of small differences with the chipset on the TW5 and TW1. You have a QC 3025 on the TWS5, and you have got the QC 3020 and the Qualcomm QCC and the WLSP packaging, which is highly integrated. So you have a different antenna system, different cavities, and TWS5s give you a Wolfeld diagram, and therefore there's better sound, better balance for low, medium and high frequencies and so on. And the TWS5 has LDS radium antenna, so it gives you a guaranteed RF signal, and playback time is more or less the same with the 3 touch pin charger, but as these are the 2, but the charge time is more or less the same with the management, and there's a slight difference in size. So there's a better different texture as well on the TSW5s between and the TSW1s, and they're slightly bigger, as you can see. So other people prefer smaller buds, other people prefer large, everyone's different. Then again, it's the comfort and how they fit, but you do get the tips inside the box to nestle into your ears. Everyone's ears is different. These aren't for everyone either. I've tested, I don't know, many pairs. Originally when these started coming out I wasn't a big fan, but now I have a massive collection and I love them, and it's the way forward, and it's what I see people mostly these days are those stupid looking AirPods. But that's pretty much it for now on the unboxing. I want to see how strong the magnet is. Very strong, not going to pop out. Case closes nicely, easy to open. And with these guys here, just make sure they're in the right way. This is some muscle memory is required sometimes, and the likes it is. So I think they actually go in that way. Yep. And they're not going to fall out either, so if they fall, the case opens, they're not going to fall out. So pretty cool. So that's just a quick first look and unboxing. We'll leave some information in the blog post and below onto some differences again between them, just in case you want to know. And obviously there is a price difference in between both. So again, price is another key factor when people are buying the likes. So these are going to cost you around 80 quid. And these are going to cost you around 50 quid depending on your region. So that's the ballpark figure that you have there. We've also got some LED lights here which we can see, which haven't turned on, so they must be totally flat. And both, as you'd expect, have the touch controls on top here. That's just how they look there for now, and look forward to testing these out and see how Edifier can do with the true wireless earbuds, as their headphones are excellent. I look forward to seeing how these perform. So any questions, hit me up at techbuzz.com, ask us below or on our social channels, and we'll gladly answer you there. And see you in the next one.